What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mauricio here with another review, and today we're going to be looking at Newage's NAH8 Miller, also known as Ratchet. Before we get into the review, let's look at his accessories. Alright, so he comes with these two open palm hands, just on a red plastic. I think every Newage character comes with these. Comes with two pointing hands. He comes with his, I guess, little welder looking thing. Maybe laser shooter, whatever you want to call it. It just pegs right on. Comes with this contraption, whatever this is. And he comes with an extra head. I believe this is his comic book head. Come on, focus. Focus. There you go. Very nice. Blue eyes, gray face, silver crest. It's on red plastic. It's pretty cool. So you can customize that however you like. And that's it for accessories. Let's look at this guy. Oh yeah, he also comes with this gun, which he obviously holds well. It's painted silver. I don't think that's silver plastic. I believe it's could be silver plastic. I don't know. But it's very well sculpted. It's nice. It's tiny. Now let's look at this guy. The face is basically the same, just a different color from his alternate head. It's very nice. Gunmetal crest, blue eyes. Can look up. Not much attitude. Nothing down, all the way around. So that's pretty cool. Nice metallic blue for the window or the chest. And go all the way up like this at 90 degrees, all the way around. It's got a bicep swivel, 90 degrees of elbow, and because you can peg these, you got wrist rotation. It's got nice paint right here for the cross, silver right here for the bumper. Let's get these out of the way. He's got waist rotation, no ab crunch. He can kick out that far. He can kick back that far. If you get the backpack out of the way, a little bit farther back. He's got thigh rotation and knee rotation. 90 degrees at the knee. Did I say how far I can kick up? I can kick out that far. All this paint is for the alt mode. And he's got a rocker. Nothing down, nothing up. So yeah. That's what he looks like on the front. It's from the side. From the back. I wish this would peg in. I believe they have some gap fillers. Some third-party company made some gap fillers for that, which is pretty cool. And that's what he looks like in a nutshell. And for some size comparisons, oh, everybody's drunk, man, I swear to God. Here's our boy. Here's our usual suspect. Hasbro Legend. See how that works out? All right, now for transformation, bear with me. It's been a while, and he's a very complex looking kind of guy. I think you take the backpack and extend that out, and you rotate that out. Right. Then you extend this, I believe. Yep. What else do you do? I believe this extends. Yep. And okay, so we got everything extended. All right. Then this comes up. How? Oh, like that. Okay. So this was like this, right? Because this head was in there. You flip this up and you rotate this in. And then these hands open them all up. They all open up. Boom. And just fix them how you think they're going to go. Like so. Same for either side. Flip this up. Open this up. Everything's going to move on you while you do this. So just be prepared to put things in proper places more than multiple times. All right, nothing else comes out. Yeah. So far, so good, I think. Right? Right. All right, cool. This is going to go forward like so. These wheels are going to come down like so. This whole thing is going to lean back. Let's keep that like that for right now because we got to work on the front part down there. And then all this is going to flip forward. So let's open up this leg. Flip the toe around. This is going to become the bumper. You bring that down. You flip this around. This flips open. And you start seeing a shape right there. This is going to extend. This is going to hinge out like so. And then you just start rotating like so. And then this is going to flip in here. There's a little tab right there. You just pop it in like so. This is going to peg in right there. So we got that going on so far. We'll worry about this at the end because it's going to cover all this. Now, same for this. Flip this down. Boom. Flip this around. This is going to come out like so. We're going to flip this down. This is on a hinge. Flip it out like so. You start turning till you get it to its right spot. Then on the hinge, flip it forward. Make sure everything's flush, or else it's not going to go in how you want it to go in. Peg that in. Peg that in. All right, you have all this going on for you. All right, so now these tabs are going to go, where are they going to go? In here. I don't know if you can see. They're going to go right in there. So these two tabs right here are going to go inside the fists. So just be careful with this part because everything's going to explode in a minute. I have a feeling. So you grab that out, grab that out. You push this down. Come on, don't fight me. And then this goes in there like so. Squeeze everything together, make sure everything's nice and flush. And then your siren, just turn it. Oh, so there's a little hole in there. That's for weapon storage. And you're supposed to peg that part in there. They tell you to do it before transformation, but it's always going to pop out. So I just try to do it at the end of the transformation. But mine just never stays. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. But they say that that's storage. So I got that in there, but no, I guess it is storage. What do you know? So yeah, I guess you do have weapon storage. And that's basically him in a nutshell. So let's take a look at him. That's the front. It's got nice orange paint right there. Let's focus a little bit. There you go. Silver and gunmetal, or silver and silver for the lights and the bumper. Black for the windshield wipers. Metallic blue for all the windows. Nice red stripe all the way around. Very nice. Very nice. That's the top. Very nice. That's the bottom. There's the weapon. Rolls perfectly. And for some size comparison, here's a Jeep. Hasbro Jeep. See how that works out. Alright, let's get them back into robot mode. This is going the wrong way. Let's put that like that. Let's take his gun. What are we going to do first? Disconnect all this stuff. It practically explodes. Stick your finger in there and just make sure. I told you the hands are going to come off because they're pegged in. That's fine. We'll fill them in later. Alright. This unpegs here. This unpegs here. And this all kind of extends and explodes. Alright, we'll switch that down. Flip this up so we can get some room here. Move his head. Alright, so now we got that going on. We are going to flip this down, flip this around. So that's going to be his foot. Flip it like so. We are going to take this, which is on a double hinge, and just put it like that. This one just flips down. I don't know why it doesn't peg, but it should peg together. But oh well. Oh, it does peg together. There you go, right there, boom. Well, not really well though. And then this goes here like so, and then his foot like that. And just fix it until it makes sense. Again, up, over, over. This is on a double hinge. Straighten that out until it makes sense. This is backwards, but we'll figure it out in a minute. This flips down. It's supposed to peg right there into the door handle. I guess that's what that is. It doesn't. But whatever. Close that. Close that. Turn the leg around until it makes sense. Yeah. And there you got that. Then you get this head up and flip that up like so. So you got that going on. I'm going to keep it up because you're going to tuck these under there. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate the hands normal. rotate the hands normal. He's going to become his book bag. You're going to flatten this out like so. You're going to flatten this out like so. And this is supposed to go under his head like so. Like that. And then his book bag just connects like so. Everything's nice and collapsed. Close the arms right here. Fix them how they're supposed to. Same for this side. Plug his fist in. Boom. Boom. Grab his gun. There you go. All right. This one was a pretty fast review. It's not bad. I hope I caught all that on camera. I hope you guys understood everything. He likes to explode on you when you transform him. But there he is. Let us know what you think in the review about this guy. Does he scale well in your collection? Does he fit in your collection? Do you prefer the DX9 version? Do you prefer the Hot Toys version? Is it Hot Toys? Hot Soldiers. The Hot Soldiers version. So you have some options out there. Iron Factory is about to drop their Samurai one. Maybe you'll like that one better. But for G1, I like him. For me, the Hot Soldiers one is kind of bulky. This one's, I mean, it's Newage, man. Look at that. It's so perfect. All right. Till next time. Peace.